Over 70 billion YouTube Shorts are watched every single day. That's more than TikTok and Instagram Reels combined. The question is, how can you tap into this goldmine without even showing your face? Here's the problem. Most beginners struggle with YouTube Shorts automation. Videos look generic, scripts feel robotic, voiceovers sound fake, and thumbnails fail to grab attention. Worse, juggling too many tools leaves creators overwhelmed and ready to quit. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, tools, and experts, YouTube Shorts automation can help you publish consistently, grow your channel faster, and build passive income without burning out. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. This is the foundation of your channel. The right niche brings visibility, builds trust, and unlocks monetization opportunities. Beginner-friendly niches include tech tips for everyday users, motivational quotes with viral potential, product reviews for affiliate income. Step 2. Use AI tools to simplify content creation. Forget spending days editing. With automation, you can produce videos in hours. Here's what to use. ChatGPT for fast, engaging scripts. Lumen 5 or Video Forge for faceless video editing. SpeechGen for realistic AI voiceovers. Step 3. Optimize for engagement. Viewer retention is everything on Shorts. If people stop watching, the algorithm stops pushing. To keep people hooked, grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Use trending audio. Add dynamic visuals and captions. Step 4. Monetize your Shorts. This is where your strategic work pays off. Once views start coming in, you can create multiple income streams, turning your automated channel into a resilient business. The key is diversification. By building several revenue sources, you're not reliant on a single income stream. Let's break down the 3 most powerful strategies for turning your views into revenue. First, join the YouTube Partner Program to earn ad revenue. To qualify for Shorts, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in 90 days. With a viral-focused automation strategy, this is highly achievable. Shorts revenue works differently than long-form videos. Ad revenue is collected into a creator pool, and you get a share based on your percentage of total views. While the individual payout per view is small, the massive volume of views you can generate with automated Shorts makes this a substantial and passive income foundation. Second is a strategy with huge potential: affiliate marketing. You earn a commission by promoting other companies' products. Simply place your unique affiliate links in your video descriptions and, more effectively, in a pinned comment. When a viewer clicks and buys, you get paid. The key is authenticity. Only promote products relevant to your niche. If your channel is about budget travel, partner with booking sites. If you're in tech, link to the software you feature. This provides value, builds trust, and drives conversions, making it a perfect fit for an automated channel. Finally, the most lucrative stream: attracting sponsors. And you don't need a massive channel to get deals. Brands love micro-influencers with engaged niche audiences, exactly what this strategy builds. To attract them, create a simple media kit with your channel stats and audience data. Be proactive and reach out to companies that align with your content. Your automated system is a huge selling point, offering brands consistent exposure. This is where your niche channel can truly flourish, turning your content engine into a profitable partnership machine. Step 5. Don't do it alone. This might be the most crucial step of all, the one that separates channels that fizzle out from those that scale into empires. The dream of YouTube automation is passive income, but getting there requires a massive amount of active work up front. You have to be a strategist, a scriptwriter, a video editor, a voiceover artist, a graphic designer, and a data analyst. The learning curve for each of these skills is steep, and your time is your most valuable asset. This is where you embrace the power of leverage. Fiverr is your gateway to a global talent pool of YouTube automation experts who can take on the technical, time-consuming tasks, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters: strategy, growth, and new content ideas. Instead of trying to do it all, you can hire specialists who are already at the top of their game. They can edit faster, optimize better, and build entire channels more efficiently than you could after months of trying. But how do you find the right person? First, meticulously review their portfolio. Don't just look for flashy edits, look for relevance to your niche and the specific style you're aiming for. Second, Prioritize communication. Send them a message before hiring. Are they responsive? Do they understand your vision? Clear communication is the bedrock of a successful collaboration. Finally, ensure they have genuine YouTube expertise, not just generic video skills. They should understand the algorithm, audience retention, and what makes a short go viral. With that framework in mind, we've done the heavy lifting for you. Here are our top 5 picks for 2025, each a master of their specific craft. First up, Wimu. Their specialty is faceless shorts and full-channel automation. Think of this as the business-in-a-box solution. This is for the creator who wants to be a hands-off investor in a digital asset. Wimu and their team can handle everything from validating your niche idea to scripting, creating, and uploading content on a consistent schedule. They are masters of the cash cow channel model, creating engaging, easily digestible content for broad topics like history facts, luxury lifestyle, or motivational quotes. If your goal is to build a portfolio of automated channels without getting bogged down in the daily production grind, Wimu is your starting point. Next we have Yus, who runs the Tursect agency. With over 6 years of deep experience in YouTube SEO, Yus is a growth catalyst. YouTube SEO isn't just about stuffing keywords in your description, it's a science. Yus's team dissects your niche, analyzes your competitors, and reverse engineers what's making them successful. They craft compelling, clickable titles and strategic descriptions, and implement a tag strategy that helps the algorithm understand exactly who to show your content to. If you have a channel with solid content that just isn't getting the views it deserves, Yus is the expert you bring in to fix your discoverability problem and unlock your channel's latent potential. Our third pick is ITX Shan, a specialist in creating viral shorts with trending edits. In the fast-paced world of short-form content, being current is everything. ITX Shan lives on the pulse of internet culture. They know which audio clips are about to blow up, which text styles are grabbing attention, and how to use jarring cuts and visual effects to stop a viewer mid-scroll. Hiring Shan is like plugging your channel directly into the zeitgeist. This is perfect for niches that target a younger demographic or rely on humor, memes, and high-energy content. If your videos feel a little too slow or corporate, ITX Shan will inject them with the viral DNA they need to compete. Fourth on our list is Siam, an expert in organic growth and long-term monetization. While viral hits are great, sustainable growth comes from building a real brand and community. Siam looks beyond single video metrics and focuses on the bigger picture. They'll help you develop a content strategy that encourages binge watching, design a cohesive brand identity through your thumbnails, and optimize your channel page to convert visitors into loyal subscribers. Crucially, Siam is a monetization strategist who thinks beyond AdSense. They can help you seamlessly integrate affiliate products, position your channel for lucrative brand deals, and build a funnel that leads to your own products or services. If you're building a brand, not just a channel, Siam is your architect. Finally, we have Wajid, a master of polished storytelling, perfect for shorts and reels. In a sea of chaotic content, a clear story stands out. Wajid understands that every video, no matter how short, needs a narrative arc, a hook that grabs attention, a middle that builds tension or delivers value, and a satisfying conclusion. He doesn't just edit clips together, he weaves them into a compelling micro-story. This is invaluable for educational, historical, or motivational niches, where emotional connection is key. If you want your shorts to feel less like a random clip and more like a miniature, polished documentary, Wajid has the storytelling talent to make it happen. And so, we've reached the end of our blueprint, but it's truly the beginning of your journey. We've explored the incredible landscape of YouTube Shorts automation, a frontier where strategy and technology converge to create powerful streams of passive income. This is about building a digital asset, a machine that works for you 24/7. The entire structure we've built today rests on 4 key pillars. First, the foundation, your niche. This is your most important decision. The goal is to find that perfect intersection of a topic you enjoy, a proven audience that's hungry for content, and clear paths to monetization. It's the difference between shouting into the void and speaking directly to a captive audience. Don't just pick history. Choose surprising facts about Roman emperors. This specificity is your superpower from day one. With your niche defined, you unleash the automation engine, artificial intelligence. AI tools are no longer a futuristic concept but a practical toolkit. From generating endless script ideas with ChatGPT to producing professional voiceovers with tools like 11 Labs, and even creating entire videos from a single prompt. The key is to view AI not as a replacement for your vision but as the ultimate leverage. It's your tireless assistant and production team, all rolled into one, allowing you to produce content at a scale once unimaginable for a solo creator. But creating content is only half the battle. To succeed, you must speak the algorithm's language, audience retention. Every second counts. The hook in the first 2 seconds determines if a viewer swipes away. The narrative loop you create signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. You must become a student of your analytics. Where are viewers dropping off? Which videos are replayed? Each data point is a clue. By relentlessly optimizing for retention through fast pacing, compelling visuals, and satisfying payoffs, you're building a direct line to the Shorts feed. And finally, smart monetization. This is where your strategy pays off. We've moved beyond just AdSense revenue. A truly automated empire diversifies its income. Integrate affiliate links for tools or products from your very first video. Consider creating a simple digital product, an ebook or a template, that provides immense value to your audience. As your channel grows, brand deals will follow. Build monetization into the DNA of your channel from day one, so as viewership grows, your income scales exponentially with it. Now this might all sound like a lot for one person. Niche research, script writing, editing, optimization. This is the critical point where most aspiring creators get overwhelmed and give up. But you don't need to do this alone. This is where you leverage the power of a global talent network. Think of Fiverr not as an expense but as your first strategic investment in scalability. Instead of spending weeks mastering complex editing software, you can hire a professional editor who can turn your raw assets into a viral-worthy short in hours. Don't have the time to write 10 compelling scripts a week? A skilled scriptwriter on Fiverr can deliver them for you. By delegating these tasks, you free up your most valuable asset, your time. Time that you can then reinvest into high-level strategy, exploring new content ideas, and managing the growth of your channel. You transition from being the doer to being the director of your YouTube empire. Ready to stop dreaming and start building? Your first step towards true automation is a click away. We've curated a list of top-rated Fiverr experts specializing in every aspect of YouTube Shorts creation. These are the people who can help you accelerate your growth and avoid common pitfalls. Click the link in the description below to explore these profiles and find the perfect partner to help you build your YouTube empire today. And before you go, if this guide provided value, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We're constantly releasing new guides and strategies, and you won't want to miss what's next. Thank you for watching.